One thing lacking in many individuals in today's time is execution. Most times, people know what to do, but they don't get to do what they need to do. We know exactly where we want to be. We have that grand vision. But the one thing that we need to do to get us to that life that we desire is lacking, and that is execution. Without action, you cannot move from point A to point B. It's great for you to have a vision, but without a strategy and a system in place to ensure that you get there, your vision is going to remain a dream. So if you're that individual where you have that grand dream, but you lack the execution, you lack the tactics, and you lack the system that will ensure that you achieve your goal, I am inviting you to join my 12-week challenge. In this challenge, you're going to set a maximum of 3 goals. And it's okay if you have just one goal to start with, but you're going to have one goal that you want to accomplish over the next 12 weeks. And we're going to build a system that will ensure that you achieve that goal. We're going to build the strategy and the tactics that will ensure that in the next 12 weeks, you are not where you used to be. So if you're ready to move your dreams to reality, if you're ready to move from the place that you've always been to the next place where you dream and you've always desired to be, I encourage you to join me on this 12-week challenge. There's a lot of work to be done, but I know that if you join me, you will get all the tools, the resources, the motivation that you need to move your life to that next level. So if you're ready to kickstart your life, if you're ready to kickstart your dream, if you're ready to have your best life yet, then click the link in this video to join me on this 12-week challenge. Our lives are about to be transformed, and I cannot wait for you to experience what I have in store for you. I'm waiting for you on the inside. Click the link in this video, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye.